If you're as obsessed with luxury fashion as I am and finding a good deal, then this haul's for you. I scored some dream items, including this beautiful baby blue Gucci suit, some Gucci platforms that I've been lusting after for like a year, and some vintage YSL sunglasses that are so classic and timeless. So if you want to take a peek at my Paris haul, then keep on watching. All right, so let's start with my absolute favorite. This gorgeous blue satin Gucci suit. I found this at the Gucci outlet in Paris. I wasn't expecting to find this, and it was on the extra sale rack, and I found the jacket and the pants. The suit was originally $3,800, and I got it for $500. I feel like that's such a steal. Now let's unbox the pants. So pretty. I love the color. This blue is actually one of my favorite colors, so I'm super excited about this one. Not only is this fabric super luxurious and the color so beautiful, but this jacket fits like a dream. And I can't believe I scored this one. I'd love to know how you guys would style this. Maybe with a classic tee underneath, or would you dress it up with a blouse? Comment below and let me know your ideas. Now this next item is a pair of Gucci loafers that have been on my wish list for years. I had been saving them to my phone and staring at them for so long, and I can't believe it. I found these at the outlet in Paris for $200, like a 75% discount. Are you ready to see them? I've been waiting to wear them until I made a video. All right. Here they are. Look at these stunners. They're super 70s inspired Gucci platform loafers. And they're actually really, really comfortable. You have to keep in mind with Gucci that their sizes run a little bit small. So I'm typically a 6.5 and I got these in a size 7. Next up, I treated myself to this beautiful perfume by Cezanne. Not only does it smell amazing, but the bottle is so beautiful. I'm a huge perfume lover. My personal taste in perfume is like, I love Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. I love the Miss Dior perfume. So if you like fragrances like that, I think you'll love this one. I wanted to pick up something special, like a special scent while I was in Paris, just to remind me of my trip there. And when I smell it, it can take me back in time. It's so pretty. This perfume, it's fresh, it's floral, and it's warm and has such a beautiful scent. I'm obsessed with it. And the bottle is just gorgeous. It's like very 1920s era. These are possibly one of the coolest things I found. Authentic YSL sunglasses from the 70s. I can't get enough of this vintage oversized look. I love the 1970s, and this can dress up any outfit just to add a little bit of something. Vintage YSL sunglasses are extremely hard to come by, so I feel so lucky to have found these. And the colors are just so pretty. I picked these up from a flea market in Paris. What's one vintage designer piece that you're dreaming of adding to your collection? Comment down below, I'd love to know. And lastly, I picked up a few basic t-shirts. I can style these with the suit. I can wear them with just jeans and a t-shirt. These are just great pieces to have. I feel like I wear t-shirts more than anything. And the quality of the t-shirts in Paris is amazing. Hi, so here's my husband Daniel. He decided that he wants to show you guys what he bought in Paris as well. So he's gonna show you guys what he got.
So the first item I got is this Gucci sports coat. We got this at a Paris Gucci outlet for quite a good deal. They ripped off the price tag. I don't think they want you to know how good of a deal you get. It was, I paid around $300, a little bit over, but and I can't remember the original price tag, but it was like $2,000 around there. So pretty much like you're paying tax. And it's a pretty cool sports coat, you know? It's made of linen. It has this cool Gucci tag, or I'm not sure what you call that. Yeah, well, this detail. It has a detail here. Okay, on the sleeve, which I think is pretty cool. Oh yeah, and it's double-breasted, so you can wear it this way, and you could also wear it that way, because it's double-breasted. And I'll try it on so you can see how the fit is and all that. And these I'm super stoked on. Got these for a really great price. $200, maybe a little bit over 200 bucks. But the color is awesome. Oh, I didn't see this bag. Came with these cool shoe bags. That's nice.
Dust bags.
Oh, dust bags. I mean, these are steel, you know? For $200, Gucci shoes, these are pretty versatile, you know? You can wear different kinds of outfits, you know? You can play it up, play it down, you know? Do a kind of a rock and roll, maybe more fancy style. Depends on what you're trying to go for, but, you know, I think I could use it in a lot of different styles. Yeah, super stoked on these. Can't beat that. 200 bucks, they're probably around, I don't know, $800 to $1,000 or something, brand new. But that's a great deal. Paris outlet, and if you know, you got an outlet near you, I highly suggest trying to go check it out, you know, instead of paying the full price.
So that's my Paris haul. It's such a dream come true to add these pieces to my collection, and I hope that you loved seeing what I found. Don't forget to comment with your favorite piece and how you'd style it. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I have so many more thrifting and fashion hauls coming up. And of course, like and share if you enjoyed this Paris adventure with me.
Thanks for watching. Bye.